we're proposing that effective Sunday, May 17th, 2020, churches may resume within a context agreed with the faith-based community.
Blessed love people, I want to address this video to the Right Honorable Mr. Andrew Holness. Mr. Holness, you know some is a man who respect you as a scholar, as a leader, as a man who make you sit down and reason about Goat Island and you listen to the voices them of Ziggy Marley and the people them who did a cry out. We call upon you again, you know. Don't open the church them, Mr. Prime Minister. You better you open the school them. You better you open the school them and make the pit them wear mask. Don't open the church them. You better you open the dance hall. Mr. Holness, Jamaican Christians them, when them are getting a spirit and a spit, and a frat, and a touch each other, nobody can contain them. And the Holy Ghost, I go have them all over each other. No mask can't stop that. When Holy Ghost lick mask fly off, Mr. Holness. Mr. Holness, you still have 500 and something cases, or 400 and something cases. Mr. Holness, the virus is still contagious. The church has no significant value over any other institutions. You don't realize that even though them keep 7 days, they kept 7 days of prayer. And it never worked, Mr. Holness. Mr. Holness, the people them can pray at them yard. Them go up on Facebook, them have them audience on Facebook. Don't drop it, yes, Mr. Holness. The people them are going to say, I true me no like Christians and true me no like church. And for usher me out. But them same people they are going to benefit from you make the church wait. The church can wait till next year, Mr. Holness. Other important institutions where you now open have to wait. So why the church can't wait? It better Jesus come catch some of them yard, you know, Mr. Holness. Because some of them church pastor, then them not live right, you know. You know, see the one from down a Slipen Road. Blake, the one named Blake. We get the 12-year-old little girl pregnant. And I serve only 8 years. You know, see the Moravian pastor from down a St. Elizabeth. 2 underage girls pregnant. He will get 8 years. You know, see Pastor Lewis, Reverend Lewis. You know, see feme semen was found in the cavity of a little girl's vagina. An underage little girl's vagina. And him walk free. According to the scientific report. Say better Jesus come catch the people in them yard. If Jesus a go come. Then go catch them in our building with the wolf them. And some of them good at India know and a play hypocrite. Mr. Holness, if you open the church them, and more people get sick and drop out, blood are going to on your hand. Mr. Holness, why did make we burn out Elephant and Bad Boy Trevor them and lock them up and charge them? If you didn't know, say, yes, say you come drop the ball. Why the ghetto people them get beaten from police? Why want you go for the little youth and die in bed? If you know, say, yes, say you come drop the ball, bossy. Bossy not do with this. If dance can lock off until the thing contained, church can lock off to bossy. Do bossy. No let you down here, so. Me know you're under pressure from the faith people them. But so far the faith now work. No healer, no heal nobody. None of the faith healer them no heal one patient. And your doctors them and the scientists them a work. Come on, Mr. Wellness. We know you love Jesus. But just think what Jesus is to do right now. Him that say to be wise as a serpent. May I trust you. To withdraw May 17th the church open. Make we contain the virus first, man. People they are foreign and can't come home and you go open church. Me da love come to Jamaica right now, I can't come because you go put me in a quarantine for 14 days. By myself. I mean I want to go mad. So why you open church ahead of that? Don't do that, man. Plane not even start fly back yet. And you open church. Church not relevant right now in another crisis, yeah. People can pray them yard. As a matter of fact, the Bible say, them fi go in a closet go pray. Say pray in a silence. Me know you go do the right thing, Mr. Wellness. Me believe in your star. Right now, if you do the right thing, we come out campaign for you if you want to. Do the right thing, man. We know so we trust you go do the right thing, bossy. We trust you go do the right thing. Yeah, so they talk to them.
Well, I don't want you to be fearful, but I want you to be careful. I hope that song you make you cheerful. Anyway, quarantine, cause if you need a ventilator, there's no guarantee. And you're the one who don't know public or find you see. Take care of yourself and your family. Again, better your quarantine, cause if you need a ventilator, there's no guarantee. And you're the one who don't know public or find you see. Take care of yourself and your family. Stay in your yard. Stay in your bongo cat yard. Stay in your yard. Them say fi stay in your grass cat yard. Stay in your yard. Stay in your bongo cat yard. Stay in your yard. Them say fi stay in your grass cat yard. If them want we fi stay in our bongo cat yard, tell JPSC suspend the bill for the power. Them want we fi stay in our grass cat yard, but them not send them but that in mackerel and flour. Me woman and me pity them want soap the shower. And when we are suffer we no want crop sour. This man-made virus make you know them power. Now you them monitoring with the 5G tower. But stay in your yard.
So Wellness, if you open the church them and the virus get out of hand, you're going to lose the next election. Remember me tell you, you're going to lose the next election. Remember me did warn you. Big up yourself.